Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. Today you will learn English, right? You are the 11th class, 11th grade, right? So today you will learn about the general point of view of agree and disagree opinion. Do you know what is the agree and disagree with opinion? In this case, agree and disagree adalah setuju dan tidak setuju terhadap suatu pendapat. Bagaimana kalian memberikan suatu pendapat? Maka disinilah kita akan melihatnya. General point of view. Look at the videos ya. The video and look at the picture. There is a general point of view. This expression I used to show a general point of view. A general point of view creates surveillance in writing and helps avoid absolute statement. Ungkapan ini digunakan untuk menunjukkan pandangan umum, ya, pandangan umum terhadap sesuatu masalah, di mana pandangan tersebut akan menciptakan keseimbangan dalam menulis dan membantu menghindari ungkapan atau pernyataan yang absolut. Okay, look at the example. Most people do not agree. Almost everyone. Some people say that. Some people believe. Of course, many aren't. Itu akan berlawanan dengan generally it is accepted. Artinya most people do not agree, hampir semua orang tidak setuju, tapi generally it is accepted, pada umumnya orang menerima itu. Almost everyone, hampir semuanya, sama ya. Di sini dia menyatakan bahwasanya di sini disagree, sedangkan yang di sebelah kanan kita ini, sebelah kirinya adalah agree. Jadi kalau almost everyone, the majority disagree with. Some people say that. Apakah ini artinya agree or disagree? Some people say that artinya dia agree. The majority agree with. Some people believe. Agree ya, it is sometimes aren't. Of course many aren't. It is a consider, while some people believe. Berarti dia menyatakan setuju dan tidak setuju. Okay, look at the picture. There is a tree ya. There are three person. Okay, look at under a picture. Did you know you can agree or disagree as long as you have a reason for your opinion? So if you agree or disagree with some opinion, one opinion, you must have a reason ya for your opinion. So look at the next ya. Jadi kalau mau menyatakan setuju atau tidak setuju terhadap sesuatu pendapat, kita harus mempunyai alasan yang kuat. Okay, look at the example agreeing with an opinion. These are some of the expression used to express agreement with opinion. Jadi ini adalah cara kalian bagaimana untuk mengungkapkan persetuju terhadap suatu pendapat. This is absolutely right. I agree with this opinion. I couldn't agree more. I agree with what you are saying, but have you ever? Maka jawabannya adalah of course. I agree. I never thought of that. Neither do I. That's a good point. I think so too. Itu kalau kita menyatakan setuju. I agree. Neither do I. That's a good point. I think so too. Kita setuju ya. And disagreeing with opinion. Kalau kita tidak setuju, this is the expression used to express a disagreement is an opinion. I'm sorry, I don't agree with you. I disagree with you. Sama ya, artinya maaf saya tidak setuju. I'm not sure I agree with you. Saya tidak yakin saya bisa setuju. I think you are wrong. I don't agree with you. I'm afraid I have to disagree with you. I do not believe that. That's not the same things at all. It is not justified to say two. I'm not convinced that. By this I mean I can't say I agree with this and here's why. Ini menyatakan dia tidak setuju dan dia harus memberikan alasan di belakang yang bla bla bla. Kalian tuliskan alasannya. Opinion can be expressed using mental verb like believe, think, that, assume, feel. Jadi kalau kita mau mengucapkan pendapat, kita juga bisa menggunakan ungkapan ya, mental verb seperti believe, think, that, assume, feel, dan lain-lain boleh. Okay, next example of opinion. Ini contohnya kalau mau memberi pendapat, kalimatnya I reckon he might have been bullied in school. To be honest, I never thought that bullying was so prevalent in most schools. I believe bullying is totally an unacceptable practice in our school. I'm not convinced that the majority of the people are not aware of this issue. Ini contoh dia memberikan pendapat. Contoh pendapat. Bagaimana kita memberikan pendapat, apakah kita setuju atau tidak? Lihat di bawah ini ya. Example of how to agree and disagree with an opinion. Ada 4 opinion dan kita memberikan pendapatnya. Bagaimana? Smoking should be banned in public place. Ini pernyataannya. Smoking should be banned in public place. Kalau setuju gimana? I totally agree that smoking should be banned in public place. Kalau dia tidak setuju, I'm sorry, but I tend to disagree with you on this. Bullying is so prevalent in most schools. Kalau agree, I couldn't agree more with you. Disagree, I think it would be wrong to generalize. Next, women should not work. What do you think? So if you think agree, I think so too. Women should stay at home and take care of their children. But if you disagree, you said, I'm afraid I have to disagree with you this. Harry Potter series is much better than Twilight series. If I agree? Yes, I agree. Harry Potter series has a much better and well-developed storyline. And if you disagree, it's not justified to say because both have different plots. And the other statement, the last one, online gaming should be banned. Agree? Absolutely right. It should be as a distract students from studying. And if you disagree, I don't agree with you. Is a venue for students to develop their skill. Ini contoh-contohnya ya, kalau dia setuju dan tidak setuju. Jadi nanti kalian bisa membuat kalimat seperti ini, menyatakan setuju dan tidak setuju. Lihat contohnya. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 question. So you fill in the blanks using the opinion expression given in the box below. Okay, in the box, totally agree, opinion, I'm concerned, strongly, believe that, strongly. You choose one of them ya. You fill in the blank. Pilih salah satunya, kalian isi bla blanya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ya. Ada 6. You fill in the blank and then you continue. There B below are several opinions. Some of them are polite and some impolite. Highlight an opinion with. Ini nanti di bawah ini akan ada beberapa pendapat. beberapa adalah yang santun, sopan, dan tidak sopan pendapatnya. The red, it is an impolite way of disagreeing. Blue, it is a polite way of disagreeing. And green, it is a polite way giving an opinion. And yellow, it is an impolite way of giving an opinion. Okay, look at the number 1. I am afraid I don't agree with you in this matter. Okay, let's see. Look at the number 1. I am afraid I don't agree with you on this matter. You choose red, blue, green, or yellow, ya. Kalian berikan pilihan jawabanmu nanti. There are 1 to 10 the question. Oh no, 20, ya, 20 question. 20 statement. So you answer, I agree with you a certain point, but I would appreciate if you look at this from another point of view. You answer, ya, like the statement you choose, and you give the several opinion, polite and impolite. Highlight an opinion with, okay, red, blue, green, yellow. Okay, I think enough. If you have a question, you may send your question in your Telegram or your WhatsApp. Okay, I think enough. See you. Thank you, and don't forget to send your question, your answer of your question, yeah, in your WhatsApp. Okay, see you. Bye. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.